Go like a goat.
Go like a Billy.
Come on. You have to be careful the bottom of your belly come right up.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Guys, so I want you to please go over to Clan of Alpha and subscribe to their YouTube channel, guys. Yes, support them, make them know it's a King and Shay. Alright, the link for their channel will be down below in the description. Alright.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy King and your girl.
Okay.
Back with a video. So I'm saying, man, we are back with a video. So this video that I'm gonna do, man, because the reason why I'm talking like in this, man, because I just come from Canada, Brooklyn, New York, man. That's what I'm saying, man. So don't mind me when I'm talking, man. I like to speak proper English, you know, man. So I'm saying, so no cap, man, no cap. Listen me I say, when you come in here, man, wear no cap, no cap. I'm down. So I'm saying, yo, I'm from the chicken wing, man. I'm a black ass nigga, you know that? Yes, and my father is a white dude, man. So I'm saying, man, and that's the reason why I came so white like this, man. So I'm saying, man. So we back with a video game, man. So we're gonna do this challenge, and this challenge, I brought it from New York to Jamaica. I have to put it on a plane to bring it here into Jamaica. It's so heavy. I can't walk with it. I have to put it on a plane, and after I put it on a plane, I have to use a helicopter, bring it to my yard. So I'm saying, man. So we're gonna start along with the channel, yes, and get.
Which channel? Which channel you start?
Oh. Just cool, guys, but I didn't know I was a king football and stay so. Yeah, guys, we are going to ask each other some question about ourselves. She will ask her question about herself, and me ask her question about myself. So if we don't know it, we have to make some animal sound or some creature sound. So if she asks me a question,
who can see? Who can make it animal creature? So animal sound about creature.
Animal creature that nice to me.
The one box.
No, you should allow no box. So
box.
Let's start the video, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and share, guys, and please follow up on Instagram, King_forever yours on Instagram, okay, and Shay_forever yours on Instagram, guys. Guys, get with to 200K, guys, for your Christmas, guys. So me I said, get with 200K for Christmas, guys, or for New Year. So I remember telling us when I reach 500,000 subscribers, 500,000 subscribers, guys, I'm giving away a car to you guys. Trust me. Alright, so ladies first.
Why me always have it first?
Because a woman always come first. Ladies first with me.
Man born before woman, you know.
That means so we turn longer.
Church.
Yes, guys, so
I am.
Put on this question
about me, right?
Yeah, you ask a question about yourself. And if me can answer, if I know a question, you tell me animal sound or creature sound what me I feel.
What is my favorite juice?
Holy moly.
How is juice name so?
No.
You're wrong, I get you wrong.
No.
That's a holy moly.
No, it's just whenever I watch a juice them. Yes, so what is your favorite
juice?
Boy, I drink so much juice, we don't know which juice. I drink all type of juice, actually, I don't know favorite juice, actually.
Which drinks does me drink more?
Tropicana. Pepsi.
You don't know.
I don't know.
Orange juice.
Orange juice.
Look how me used to buy orange juice.
I mean, I buy orange juice. You can't have orange juice, actually.
I love orange juice, but that you not buy them, give me.
Me not buy them, yes, so one thing, you have to buy them. You can't have orange juice, Sasha, and you don't buy orange juice, come here, Sasha. No, you don't know.
Of course, I buy orange juice.
You know, and your favorite juice that.
Of course.
Anyway, you can't love something in general, and you don't buy, come here. You understand what I mean?
When orange juice buy come in a safe, in a serve for one day, one box of orange juice buy this in a serve. But I can't look about.
Alright. So one más one for me.
Go like a pigeon. Pigeon.
I man pigeon that. Alright.
Your turn.
Alright. Since I say I go on so. What is the size of my penis? No, the length.
I'm going to ask a quick question.
What is the length of my penis?
Were you addicted to these?
No, ask a question. Just answer a question, not it. Yeah. What is the length? Not the size, you know. The length. Length.
You know what?
I really don't know because if I mean, no. So you don't know where you get the you don't know where you take. You don't know where you get. Come on, be man, no one knows. You cannot get the night and day and know where you get. Come on, man. Wrong. No. Hey! You're wrong. 5.5. Only dying. Only dying, 5.5.
Yeah, go with measurements.
Alright. Go like a goat.
Go like a billy.
Come on. You have to be careful the bottom of your belly come right up.
No.
No.
That one not come out good.
Go on and get your views.
You not come out good. Me done.
This is sweet. Guys, it's a new challenge, guys. You know, we just our last figure out the challenge, guys. I'm someone believe today, guys. So if you challenge nice guys and tell me so yeah, no.
Alright. What type of movies are my favorite?
Romantic.
You're not even gonna yet.
We get one, guys. Yes.
Romantic / what?
Arrow. Chinese, the Chinese type movie them. Yeah, wait. Yeah.
No, for TV. It's a type.
This is me a one question.
Romance and what other?
No. Yes, what type movie you love? And I said, what kind of movie you like?
When I move it, I say type.
I one question and a two. For me time now.
Romance and fantasy.
Yes, actually same thing.
No.
Okay, alright, cut it out then. Alright. What? The first time I got jail, I was how many years old? The first time I got to jail?
18.
No.
16.
No.
14. 5. Me say what up your answer.
Alright. 14.
14.
Yeah. Alright.
You say right answer first?
No, 14. Yeah, maybe saying correct. You never say right answer first. 14. Alright.
Something simple on you.
Something simple. How when love sleep on the back of my belly? Back to the side of my belly.
Your belly.
Alright.
I'm not that. You just tell me about animal sound and me if you ask a question.
No, but you get it. So we can't love some animal sound.
Alright, so that means I too can ask a question, you know.
So 2 times ask question?
2 times ask the question after.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so what is my bra size on you?
45. Or 42, 42. 42, 43, 45, something like that.
What?
The me just know me no about
My leg can follow behind them.
D R L L D M
Mr. Alright, D.
Alright, so you're gonna say yes. How long, man? Come the next question.
Alright. Which year was I born?
Kiss me, mama. No.
Wrong. Me don't know which year that there. Me don't know which year you kiss me, your mother.
1992.
Wait, Joe, if ever know come to my mind. Alright, so go like a cricket.
You wanna run?
93 with Batman. How could it go? Mine are related, you know. Alright, give me a question now.
Alright. What is my biggest fantasy? What is my biggest fantasy?
What type of fantasy?
Like, as in bed.
To have a threesome.
Yes!
That's some boxing boy, yes. A boxing.
No, because bro, you don't have to try with me and one girl, man. You gotta know.
Who?
Me and your one girl.
Me and who was here?
I'm gonna say we do it already, and we can try again.
Do already. Unless me did dead.
You did, yes? Yes, I'm going.
I think you under my dead. Alright, so which is the only place on earth other than Jamaica? Because I know say I go say either. Other than Jamaica, I would love to go.
Nah, we wait, man, Joe.
You go away, come here.
I'm going to tell you.
The island with the know a small country with the we have the it's something like bottom of the glass where you can see shark, whale, and it's in there. No sir, what country name again? I don't remember what country name. But what country name again? But I know you're talking.
I don't know which country I talk.
Country.
I don't know what country, but I get to Shay because I know a place that say they don't want to go to Shay.
Wait, where would I want to go?
Man, make a son answer because I don't know why I answer.
Dubai.
What do you just say? Who you to? Your favorite plan?
Hey, why? When am I going to Dubai? Dubai. Mm-hmm. Only used to say Dubai.
But you like it to remember what you do? What you do?
Go I don't know. Go like a elephant.
No elephant make nice. When nobody elephant make nice, it's a bit circle so long.
What am I looking out on you?
Yeah, elephant make nice, it's true.
And an elephant. Elephant.
Elephant too.
I don't want no elephant sound.
Elephant too.
Give me elephant sound. So elephant go, daddy?
Yeah.
Mr. Rice? So elephant go?
No.
So elephant go?
No.
Oh, Ongila go?
Oh. Something like that, but I'm not so.
Yeah, man. That's just something here, kids, Shay.
What do you give me?
They're real like.
I think that's it. Yeah, man.
I know. Big experience.
Yeah, man.
15 minutes. Oh, how long we are, man?
Alright,
One more question.
no, one more question.
15 minutes.
Man, nothing means them alone. Alright. What type of girl we like? Like, what type? Woman. You know say, your man love. What type of woman your man love? What type of woman? Now you, and I question that. What size woman your man love? Or, me not you, Sashay. What size woman your man love? Come man, you get it wrong. Come, make one sound.
No? See, no.
Go like a rooster. It's not about love you and I love you, me I say. What type of woman your man love? You don't know. Go like a rooster.
Fluffy girls.
Go like a rooster. Go like a rooster. And go like a rooster.
You just want me to make animals sound.
Go like a rooster, no, man. Cause you can't get me up.
That means only I love you.
Go like a rooster.
Don't you make me done. You want to laugh about it.
I'm man rooster, eh? Want to go like I know?
Yes, yeah, woman.
Then must have woman who stop with you.
And I come and fall. The man fall, the rooster. No, but you have to say like a rooster said. You have to say like
sound.
You have to big up your chest like a rooster says. And big up your chest. No, I don't hear good. You have to do it good. You have to do it loud. Take it from the bottom of your heart. Alright, last question. Me don't know.
Eh?
Must not crow.
Me must crow.
No,
Amen.
it's an abomination unto God.
Alright, don't cross that. Alright, come. Come now.
Alright, so.
Come to listen.
No!
Yes, I did.
No! No!
That boy always party up with the sachet.
Eh?
You're too fast now, look how far the virgin.
Me fi ask him that the question there. Me fi ask a question. Bye.
Me tell you something?
Bye, pass.
What a girl like.
So what? Okay, request there.
Eh?
Okay, request there.
No, I hear a drop down.
Alright. What is my star sign?
The star,
Sign.
as in like, when you're born like, Katachupa. No, study tar. No, me know man, Remy and Virgo. No Virgo. Me know some. Oh God, it's in a made, but it can't come out.
This is the Sagittarius.
And a scorpion.
Onion.
Me know it's a shame.
Onion. Yes, go like a ants.
Oh, oh, ants go sachet.
Go like a ants, onion.
This is so red hot, we are near man, Africa red hot, I said me there go.
Onion, go like a ants.
Sachet me now. Me don't know how to like ants.
Why is this ants in the earth?
Me not be like a big fool.
You know your ants make no noise.
Alright.
So that means you don't make no noise. Eh? You they make nice, daddy? Eh?
Yeah. Yeah, we wake up, what's it called?
Come now,
Your
sachet.
dada.
So, animals.
Guys,
They make nice.
So guys, like, comment, subscribe, and share, guys. Okay? Do that for us, guys. I'm begging you. Bless up.
Yeah, we wake up,